Good morning. I'm gonna go get breakfast right now. I am wrecked. I wasn't home. I was home early last night, went to bed early, but just really tired, and we were supposed to go out last night with some of the other people that we'd met, but ended up just going to that Sky Bar pool, and now I'm going down for banana pancakes and I'm starving, and checkout's at 8:30 and I wasn't aware of that, and it is just 8:30 now, and the guy was like, you need to check out, and I was like, I haven't had my banana pancakes yet, because I had to get them ordered downstairs and then get them to the guys to wait for me while my pancakes arrive so I can pack up and go. Oh, I just met Matt, one of my new friends, and he was like, your pancakes are ready downstairs, so I'm going down to get them. Look at my hair, it's so super humid here, so it's like really frizzy. Oh man, I'm just having like a nightmare this morning, like, you know, when everything's like running really smoothly and everything's going really well. Well, this is not one of those days. I don't know what this lift's doing. I came from the 7th floor, went up to the 8th, now it's at the 7th again. I'm just never gonna get down to the 1st floor, and I'm starving. Once I eat, I'll feel so much better, because right now I just feel like I'm just in bad form because I need to eat. Banana pancakes. Just finished my banana pancakes. They were epic. I'm gonna make them when I get home. Oh my god, I love them, and I love the coffee out here. Hi guys, I feel like I haven't vlogged at all today. I've been absolutely knackered all day. I had like a nap, and I was freaking out this morning because we were leaving, but actually we ended up staying in the hotel till 2 o'clock today, which is great. We didn't actually end up going. We were like doing a trek, but it was raining all day, so I didn't want to do that. I actually caught up with sleep. Caught up on some sleep. I have not slept properly all day, so I had a little bit of a nap today and feel 100 times better. Went and got some egg rice and spring rolls and something else. What else did I get? Oh, oysters. Now we're on the speedboat and going to Hanoi. No, we're going to, yeah, we're going back to Hanoi, but I have to get the speedboat off the island around Kappa, and then we have to get the bus back to Hanoi, and then I'm getting a limousine tomorrow to China. And I'm really excited to go to China, actually. I can't wait. Like, it's going to be really exciting and fun and different to Vietnam, and I'm just going to get to see a lot more, like, I suppose, of China and different kind of cultures and stuff. And you know what, like, if the trip goes really well, I just might extend it. Bye bye boat. See you later. It's really miserable today. Not great at all. There's our bus over there bringing us back to Hanoi. So much to see, so much to do. I want to spend more time in Vietnam, and I'm sad I'm going. I really am sad I'm going. Aww. So just one more night in Hanoi and that's it then. Off to China in the morning. We're leaving at 8 AM. And I'm going there for 2.5 weeks. It's going to be crazy, but I can't wait. I'm really excited. Hi guys, so I'm in my last night in Vietnam, last night in Hanoi. I'm so sad. I really am very sad, but I'm going to China in the morning, which is really exciting. The humidity here is crazy. Like, a lot of people said to me, how are you getting on with wearing makeup? I've not been wearing makeup. I can't wear makeup. It's so hot. Your face will just sweat and melt, and it's like, what's the point? I'm having and have had the best trip ever of my whole entire life. And oh, there's my mama. They're keeping in touch with me every day. We have like a group chat on WhatsApp, just kind of keeping in touch with each other, and I'm keeping them updated. Damien's in it, my mum, my dad, and my auntie Blohin. We're just keeping up to date and talking about my adventures and stuff. Yeah, last day in Hanoi. I'm gonna get a bag today because the pennies bag that I got, it burst at the seams, so I need to get a backpack. And I also need to get, I want to get fridge magnets, and they're impossible to find. And I'm looking to get, what else am I looking to get? oh, a bottle opener for my uncle Pat. He wants a Vietnamese bottle opener, just like a bottle opener with Vietnam written on it. And I need to get shower gel and shampoo just for my last kind of night here. Actually, I need conditioner, not shampoo, just for my last night here. And then I have a 12-hour bus journey to China, and I'm going to be half dead on that, so it'll be coming in handy. My battery's flashing at me, so I hope it lasts the last day. I don't know what way the vlogs are going to be going up, guys, because I don't even know what footage I have. I've just been kind of taking bits and pieces of everything, so hopefully I will kind of have some decent amount of footage and I can make at least 2 vlogs or 3 vlogs maybe out of it. I might look back and be like, Jesus, you have enough, girl, for about 10 vlogs. Let's go out and hit the town and enjoy the day. Outfit of the day, a little pantsuit from Bershka and little brown shoes from Pennies. I love this little outfit, it's so handy. Now I'm so sad.